Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your smartphone enter YouTube. Tap the button located at the top of the screen responsible for cast and select your TV. Now you can play anything you'd like on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. To disconnect, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.